A clearing account is a temporary place to hold transactions until they're finalised or you've allocated them to the right place. They can be useful if you're unsure how to categorise a transaction. The important thing to remember with clearing accounts is that once you've dealt with the transactions, the balance on the account should be zero. Let's take a look at how to set up a clearing account and how to use one. One useful example of when to use a clearing account might be if you've got a bill and an invoice that need offsetting against each other. Let's take a look. Here's an invoice for $234 to Bayside Club. Bayside Club have also sent me a bill for $234. The invoice and bill cancel each other out, so we've agreed that nobody needs to send any money. But how to deal with the invoice and the bill in Xero? The answer is to use a clearing account. First, if you don't already have a clearing account, create one. Go to the Chart of Accounts screen and add account. I'll add this as a current liability. It doesn't really matter because you want to ensure that the balance on it is nil once you've dealt with any transactions. Enter a unique code, give it a name and description. There's no tax. I'll show this on my dashboard watch list so I can keep a close eye on the balance on this account. And importantly here, tick Enable Payments to this account. This means that you'll be able to use this account to mark bills and invoices as paid. Now, let's find that invoice and the bill that we need to offset against each other. Open the invoice and click Add Payment. Here I'll mark the full amount as paid, use today's date, and select an account to pay it to. Here you'll only see any bank accounts and accounts which have the Enable Payments to this account selected. We'll pay the invoice to the clearing account, and I'll add a reference. Notice the invoice is now marked as paid. Let's do the same thing for the bill. Enter the amount, today's date, select the clearing account, and I'll add a reference. This bill is now marked as paid. So that's it, you've offset the bill and the invoice. Check the balance on the clearing account is zero. You can see it here on the dashboard. Click to see all the transactions for this month. I made this video as a result of a comment on my channel, so if there are other videos that you'd like to see, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.